Hey everybody, welcome back to Jimmy as Promo, and today we will be unboxing and getting a closer look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5. Now, if you are looking to upgrade to the Galaxy Z Flip5, here are the pre-order deals. You'll be able to get that instant trade-in credit of up to $900. You'll get the free storage upgrade. You'll be able to get the 512 internal storage at the price of $256 internal storage. And if you are a student, there's actually a 10% off for a student discount, which is a pretty big deal when it comes down to the Z Flip5, because what happens, this is a $1,000 device. 10% of 1,000 is 100. Basically, if you do have any other Samsung device or a Flip or some of the other devices out there and you can trade in and get up to $900, 900 plus 100 equals 1,000, you're basically getting this device for free other than basically the sales tax and all that. So this one is a great deal if you're looking to try out a Flip device maybe for the first time or upgrade from the Flip 4 or any of the other Flips. So really great deal for pre-order. Again, this goes through August 10th because August 11th, it's officially launched. Now, taking a look at the Galaxy Z Flip5, this color here is the color of mint. Now, don't forget, you are able to go inside of here. This little casing will be holding onto your SIM card popper as well as the Type-C to Type-C charging cable. So don't forget that those are sitting inside. Now, let's move over to the device itself. Let's get this thing unwrapped. Let's get it folded. Let's take a look at that larger screen. You can see here just how big this one is, and we will do a comparison versus the Galaxy Z Flip 4 as well, just so you can kind of see the size difference. So here is the color of mint. So here's the Galaxy Z Flip5 in all of its glory. It's a good looking color. Again, the color of mint. They were able to change the orientation of the camera. So rather than this one, pretty much sitting vertically, they were able to switch it horizontally. So this way it'll have a little bit more space for its screen right here, which I will turn on here in just 1 second. They did also improve on the Hinge system. So it is able to completely, shut, go flush when you are able to close it. This way it's going to fit in your pocket and purse bag and everything else a little bit better. You're not going to get all that dust inside of the center. And really, everything else is going to be pretty much looking the exact same when it comes down to everything else. But the biggest change is going to be, again, with the Hinge, with the processor on the inside, with the upgraded internal storages, because it's basically double the internal storage of what they offered last year. Last year, they offered the 128 and the 256. This one, they're offering that 256 and 512. But again, your massive screen there, and then, as I mentioned from before, the upgraded processor. So let's get this thing turned on, and let's take a look at that cover screen, or I should say what they call the flex window. So I'm just going to go through the entire start process of all of the welcome windows just to get straight into the device itself. Now, taking a look at the Galaxy Z Flip 4 versus the Galaxy Z Flip 5 when it comes down to the cover screen, or now what is called the flex window, you can just see the big massive improvement, the change, a much upgraded screen. There's so much more area. The cool thing as well is that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 over here does have its PIN, its password, the fingerprint, everything else. So does the Flip 5, but on the Flip 5, because the screen is able to display more and actually show more applications, you do have to put in your PIN to actually get it unlocked. So that is one thing that I do enjoy about it, because you can just go over here, take a look at some of the notifications that, what could have come through. And then with this one, you can still see the notifications, but to go through the rest of the device, you do have to put in your PIN, password, whatever you put in. Now, for the sake of this video, I just went 1, 2, 3, 4, and the screen actually told me not to use that one because it's just a simple consecutive password. But, I just used it for this one. Now, the cool thing is you can just see how much more data and how much more information is shown on all of these different screens right here. There's just more that you're able to do. And then when you take a look at, let's say, this very front image here. So this is going to be pretty much its little clock face. You can press and hold on the clock face. You can go through and you can change which one of these you would like to use. Also, you can take a look at some of the other widgets and the other screens over here. So if there's some of these that you would like to get rid of or add, you do have the plus button as well as the negative on the top right hand side. Any of these ones that you thoroughly enjoy, the one that you would like to use, you just simply tap on it, and then now this is the one that you are using currently. So now as both of these are turned on and opened, really there's no difference when you are opening it and using it. The biggest things is going to be the improved hinge, the improved processor, the improved and much larger front display, and also double the internal storage. So there's a lot of reasons to upgrade to the Galaxy Z Flip 5. I mean, this thing I am super pumped and excited for. There's also a lot of things that I do need to share with you. I'm going to just show one quick little tip with this one, and then I'm going to show more things in depth on the upcoming videos. So when you take a look at the cover screen, this is going to be some of the little widgets here. You can manage this up over here. Take a look at what you want it to show, what you don't want it to show. You can also add in new. You can take a look at the widgets, the cover screen, timeout, show notifications, and a few other things as well. And then when you take a look at the advanced features, you go inside of labs, and then inside of here, this is where you can use the main screen navigation on the cover screen. You'd also be able to have other applications be allowed. So if you would like to use Maps or Google Messages, Samsung Messages, Netflix, YouTube, these are the only ones stock currently, but I do have a trick up my sleeve to show you that you're able to get any and all applications that you choose on the home screen or the cover screen, which I'll show you that here in just a second. So now that we added in all of those additional applications, we're gonna go through. More than likely, I'm gonna have to unlock this one more time. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to take a look at the very, very last tab. And then this is where you can see those other applications. Now, here's the other thing you can do too. You can do a pinch to zoom, and the pinch to zoom is going to show you all of your different widgets and home screens that you have. So this way you can go through all of them much quicker. So yeah, this is actually pretty cool as well too. But again, I'm going to go more in depth of some more tips and tricks and other things that you should know when it comes down over into the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Yeah, this is just, it's actually telling me to take a look at some of these other widgets, which I'm actually just showing you right now. And then if you want to open up the camera, you just simply swipe this one at the diagonal, and then now you're inside of the camera. But yeah, we'll go through that more with an upcoming video. Hopefully you guys appreciate this video. This is my first impressions, or I should say my second impression. I took a look at it at Best Buy. But yeah, hands down, this thing is super cool. Playing with this one, getting more intimate, and showing you guys more of what this thing is able to do. I'm just, pumped and excited to show you. But here is the Galaxy Z Flip 5 in all of its glory. Again, if you guys are interested, I'll be placing all of the links below inside of the description. But hopefully you guys appreciated it. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.